Thank you very much for In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is some nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and reviews online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.8, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Room category will you can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and etc. This hotel be required to present photo ID at check-in to the hotel, accept major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the hotel is first class. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Your rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel. Various events and offers. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Check the description. If you are facing any If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video.